Adobe Lightroom and Luminar Neo are two leading photo editors, each with unique strengths. Lightroom focuses on comprehensive organization and precise manual controls, while Luminar Neo emphasizes AI-driven enhancements and creative automation. The core difference lies in manual precision versus AI-assisted editing. Adobe Lightroom is a professional-grade photo editor and organizer widely used by photographers. It works by providing a non-destructive editing environment where users can adjust exposure, color, tone, and detail with granular control. Lightroom's strengths include its robust cataloging system, seamless integration with Adobe Creative Cloud, and powerful manual editing tools. It supports batch processing, making it efficient for managing large photo libraries. However, Lightroom's interface can be complex for beginners, and its subscription-based pricing may not appeal to all users. Ideal users are photographers and creators who prioritize detailed control over every aspect of their images and need a reliable workflow for managing thousands of photos. Luminar Neo is a modern photo editor that leverages artificial intelligence to simplify complex editing tasks. It works by applying AI-powered tools such as sky replacement, portrait enhancement, and automatic object removal, which speed up editing without sacrificing quality. Luminar Neo's strengths lie in its user-friendly interface, creative filters, and automation that help users achieve professional results quickly. It also supports layers and masks for manual adjustments, blending AI with traditional editing. However, it may lack the extensive organizational features found in Lightroom, and some advanced users might find its AI-driven approach less flexible. Luminar Neo is ideal for photographers and hobbyists seeking quick, creative edits with less manual effort, and those interested in AI-assisted workflows. When comparing Lightroom and Luminar Neo, consider your editing style and workflow. Lightroom excels in detailed manual adjustments and photo management, making it perfect for professionals handling large projects. Its cloud integration supports cross-device editing seamlessly. Luminar Neo shines in creative AI-assisted editing, saving time on repetitive tasks like sky swaps or blemish removal. It's suited for users who want impactful edits with minimal technical input. The trade-off is Lightroom's steeper learning curve and subscription cost versus Luminar Neo's less comprehensive cataloging but more approachable interface. For photographers focused on precision and organization, Lightroom is unmatched. For those prioritizing speed and creativity, Luminar Neo offers a fresh, intuitive experience. Choose Adobe Lightroom if you need powerful manual controls, professional-grade organization, and a proven workflow for managing extensive photo libraries. Luminar Neo is the best choice for photographers wanting fast, AI-enhanced edits with creative freedom and ease of use. Both editors offer unique advantages, so your choice depends on whether precision or automation drives your photo editing process.